Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'll talk about svchost.exe using your microphone. Okay, so sometime when you log into your laptop and you might have observed that here it's showing that your two apps are using your microphone or one app is using your microphone. And that time you might have worried like you haven't used that in some apps, then who is using your microphone? Okay, so for checking this, either you have to click on this or you can click on Windows settings. In the setting page, you can see privacy, right? You have to click on this. Then here, if you see, there is a microphone option. Click on this and you have to scroll down. So if you see here, it will give you which all are the app that use your microphone. So currently I'm recording this video with the CapCut, so it is showing currently in use. But another host processor for Windows service, right? It is showing. So that is svhost.exe is using your microphone. So this is the not an harmful services that are using. This might have done by you only. That's why it's using your microphone. But if we are worried about that, if it is any virus or anything that are using your microphone, so just quickly you can open a PowerShell, okay, and in the PowerShell you can execute this command and you can check if certificate is digitally signed with. So if you see, the certificate is signed, and if you see, it's signed with the Microsoft and all. Okay, so that is not a virus. Okay, this is just for confirmation. If you want, you can do. Otherwise, no need to do. So I'll tell you how you can fix this. So you can see a speaker sign here. You have to click right here. Okay, then sound option is here. Click on sounds. After that, you have to click on the recording option. Okay, so once you click on recording option, you can see here it will show all the recording device plug into this laptop. Okay, so in this you have to click on microphone, then properties, and then you can come to the listen. Okay, and if you see here is the listen to this device is checked. You have to uncheck this, then click on apply. Okay, okay, and now when you come to the setting, if you see the SB host uh, is not currently in use. Okay, so with this you can fix your this issue and you don't have to worry about this. If you want to see currently in use again, you can what you can do, you can click on sounds, go to recording, microphone, properties, listen, check this, apply this. Okay, okay, now if you see, it's currently in use. So sometime when you do some discovery or do some setting changes and accidentally you might have on, that's why it is showing. Okay, so no need to worry about. You can change it, you can off it, or you can keep it running. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. We'll see in some another video. Tata, bye bye.